Alright, we got a short video coming today. We're out here in the shop working on the C10 or C1500. I don't think I've showed the new wheels I got for it yet, which are 20 by 8.5s. They look really good on there. But right now we're doing a little tune-up on it because it kind of runs a little rough. Of course, the motor or the gauge cluster does show 338,000 miles, which might have something to do with it, but we're going to change the spark plugs and wires and distributor cap and rotor and see if that helps it at all. Alright, got the distributor cap and rotor off, as well as the spark plug wires. Doesn't look terrible, but it doesn't look great. I got some buildup on the little posts in there, so we'll change that. Keep as a backup though, in case something else goes wrong. Okay, got the spark plugs out. These ones are off the passenger side. They're not terrible, they don't look good. This one's kind of funky looking. Then on the driver's side, they look a little worse. So I'm not sure if they've just been in there forever or if it's gotten some water in it or what it is. But we got some new Denzel spark plugs, courtesy of Rock Auto, not a sponsorship. We're going to throw them back in there, got them gapped to 35 thousandths. And then we'll get the new cap and spark plug wires put on. Alright, we got it running. We're going to tidy up the spark plug wires, make sure they're not on the manifold. And then we're gonna get the air cleaner and stuff put back on it and take it out, test it out, see how it runs. It's probably gonna be so fast now, it'll be terrifying to drive.
Got him.
Was that impressive?
That was impressive.
Alright, that's going to do it for this video. Don't let those burnouts fool you. This thing is very underpowered. The tires are just really old and hard, so they smoke a lot. So, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Let us know what you think. Give us ideas for future videos. And we'll see you in the next one.